central Maryland, southwestern Frederick County in north central Maryland, north central London County in northern Virginia, northeastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Harper's Ferry, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Shepherdstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Harry Grove Stadium, Brunswick, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, Harper's Ferry, Clover Hill, Point of Rocks, Discovery Spring Garden, Lindenor, Martinsville, Adamstown, Jefferson, Lovettsville, Bolivar, Buckeyestown, Rosemont, Watersville, Burkittsville, and Gatlin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.